Today, we're gonna change my oil. Well, I'm gonna change my oil. You're just gonna watch. Look, I'll show you what I got. I've got a funnel. I also have a filter. Normally, I like man filters because they're thick. But I didn't want to wait so many days for the mailman to bring it. I also have a filter wrench. This is to help remove the filter from the car. If you're weak like me, you need this. Or you can also use a filter cap. Then I have my oil. So my car takes 8.5 quarts of oil, but this box has 12 quarts, but it's okay. I can use the rest for next time. This is my drip container to catch my oil, because you don't want to let your oil leak all over the floor. That's going to kill all the animals, and it might kill you too, which isn't good unless you want to die. I'll show you these metal sticks I've collected for this project. So you're going to need a filter cap or a filter wrench. I've got a breaker bar for my filter cap because I'm weak. Then I've got a 13mm socket with my ratchet, and you can also use a 13mm wrench. And then I've got an 8mm socket with a baby ratchet. Now let's go to my dad's workshop and jack up the car. Safe, I put bricks in the front and back of each tire. I also have 4 jack stands, and I also have 2 big, heavy, 3-ton tire things. Since I'm about to drain my oil pan, I'm going to unscrew my filter oil cap just to relieve the pressure, so it doesn't take so long to come out of the oil pan. I'm also going to unscrew the oil cap. Unfortunately, this little banana brain broke on me. Unfortunately, it was at the end of its life anyway, so rest in peace. Instead, I'm going to use an oil cap and a breaker bar. Okay, now we're under the car. In order to get to the oil pan, you have to remove this underbelly cage. You're going to have to remove 4 of these little baby screws. They're around the entire perimeter. I'm going to use an 8 socket. I got one. Now I'm going to remove the rest of the screws, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I got the underbelly off. This is the underbelly of the car, and this is my oil pan. This is what we're going to be draining. Now grab your handy dandy oil dripping container. You're really gonna need it. Okay, now in order to remove this bolt, you're going to need a 13 socket. You can kind of tell I was struggling here. If the ratchet's not really moving too much, you can also grab a 13 wrench and a rubber mallet and tap on the end of the wrench, and the bolt will loosen. That's what I had to do because this really wasn't working for me. This was making me work harder, and I don't like to work hard because I'm a lazy daisy. Okay, here comes the fun part. The oil's gonna drip into the pan. You gotta let the oil drip as fast as it can. Yay! I was kind of playing with the oil. This was my first time really. Doesn't it look like chocolate? The other day, I had cookie dough ice cream with chocolate. It was really good. And then I told the lady, can you please add rainbow sprinkles? And then please add 1 Oreo, not 2 Oreos, not 3 Oreos, just 1 Oreo. Thank you. Alright, now we're gonna put the bowl back on. Make sure you hand tie it first, and then use your magical tools to tighten the bolt. Wahoo! I'm gonna wipe it down right quick. Now make sure you clean up your mess so your puppy and your turtles don't drink this. Okay, I'm gonna put the underbelly on, and I'm gonna put these 4 screws back in for the underbelly. Alright, got it. Now I can start my filter and my oil. Okay, I built up some confidence, so now I'm gonna change the filter and put some new O-rings. Putting my new O-rings on. Yay! Now I have my new filter on with my new O-rings, and now this is ready to go back inside of the car. Now I'm gonna take my funnel and put 8.5 quarts of oil inside of my car. My car's favorite food is Mobile One OW40. This is what she likes to eat. Unfortunately, I have to use my own Pedialyte bottle that's 1 quart. Remember, my car eats 8.5 quarts of oil. When I ordered this oil online, it said there were 12 bottles of oil in the box. But when I opened the box, it was just a huge bag of oil. So I have to divide it up myself. But that's okay. Well, it's not really okay because I had to chug all of my Pedialyte. I already had way too many things in my stomach. I had M&Ms. I had Minnie and Mickey cookies. I had 4 Skittles. No, I had 4 Skittles. I had a salmon beef jerky dog treat. Puppy, what else did we eat? Did we share pizza rolls today or yesterday? Today. I had pizza rolls, and then I had my Pedialyte, right? And then we put the chocolate in the car. Then I had my Pedialyte.